Hello everyone, welcome to the OS X tutorial for ShotPro. When you first open the program, you'll see three buttons that you can press: Create New Project, Load, or Edit. When you create a new project, you can determine the name of the project and where you would like it saved. Or, when you click Load, you can find a file that you've used before to load a project. Then you can click Edit, which allows you to select and delete a project. So let's go ahead and create a project, and by default the project's saved in my documents. To enter the project, just tap on the new icon that's been created. Here you have the ability to go back to the project screen, create a new scene, and name it. Click the play button to play back your project with all its animatics in full screen. Click the music icon to add music. Click the search button to search through your notes. Change the aspect ratio and export the movie. It's important here to know that the cursor will be locked and you're not allowed to move your mouse during the export. We also don't allow the ability to change your exporting format, though we are working on that in a future update. You can click the edit button to rename the project, delete scenes, or rearrange scenes. To navigate or move through the 3D stage view, we use the mouse. Clicking and dragging to the left moves you to the left, the same for the right, up and down. Holding the option button and clicking the left mouse button changes your perspective, and scrolling controls the zoom. The first icon is the plus sign. This icon allows you to add cameras, lights, and props to your scene. The backdrop icon allows us to use the preloaded backdrop or upload your own image from your camera or camera roll. You can adjust the backdrop size and elevation. You can hide the backdrop by sliding the elevation down all the way. You can also tap anywhere on the backdrop to bring up this menu. If you wish to upload your own image to the backdrop, make sure the file is a PNG file, and that will allow the image to come into the program. The next icon opens the ground menu. You can choose your ground from the set of preloaded images. The grid images are especially useful for blocking. The microphone icon allows you to record your own audio. The slate icon allows you to input information about the scene. This information is searchable from the scene's view. The global settings icon allows you to change the global color by an RGB slider or by choosing the preset menu. You can also change weather effects, as well as position and activation of the sun. One quick tip, the duration adjustment for the scene is also set here. The info icon gives you quick tips and important news. The camera button allows you to take a still image of what is in the viewfinder, and then save it to your computer. The viewfinder shows the output of the selected camera. You can resize it by touching it and sliding your finger up and down. For the viewfinder to be active, you must have a camera in the scene. When you select any object, its inspector will appear on the left side. To change the settings like position, elevation, and rotation, just tap on the icon and slide it up or down. Characters or actors have inspector buttons which control animations, hand props, facial expressions, and controls for individual limbs. At the bottom right of the stage view is a menu visibility toggle. Remember, the gyro control has been disabled for OS X. When you are all finished up and done, click Export. This will export your file as a .mov file and will save it to your desktop.